Hello and welcome everyone to Quest for Quiz, the qualifying round for TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Tarrant Primary up against Mountain View Primary, both from St. Andrew. I'm your host, Kadeen Foot, and the action begins right now. Earlier, we had the coin toss and Tarrant Primary won and decided to go first, so we'll begin with Tarrant Primary. Now, in this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Teams will have 10 seconds to answer. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so with that time on the clock, we'll begin with Bible knowledge. Tarrant, which 3 boys were thrown into a furnace by Babylonian king? By a Babylonian king. Question passes to Mountain View. Would you like to try?
No, thank you.
Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. Mountain View, your question. Which young Hebrew was thrown into a den of lions?
Daniel.
Repeat?
Daniel.
Correct. Science. Tarrant, shale is an example of which type of rock?
Yeah, you're supposed to know shit. What is it? She says steel. Say it now. Crystal.
Would you like to try Mountain View?
No, thank you.
Sedimentary. Still with you, Mountain View. Obsidian is an example of which type of rock?
Stone. Repeat. Stone.
Would you like to try Tarrant?
No, thank you.
It's igneous. Jamaican affairs, Tarrant. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Me come here for drink milk.
I came.
Say. Use it.
The question passes to Mountain View. Would you like to try?
No, thank you.
Nuffy count cow. Still with you, Mountain View. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Simeon, come live with me.
Yeah, these answers are hard. Simeon, come with me. Come fucking hard.
Question passes to Tarrant. Would you like to try?
No, thank you.
Are 2 different things. English language, Tarrant. Spell harassment. Would you like to try Mountain View?
Yes, please. Harasment.
Incorrect. It's Harassment. Still with you, Mountain View. Spell contagious.
Contagious.
The wrong thing came first. It's Contagious. Television. Tarrant, what animal is the character Master Shifu in Kung Fu Panda? Question passes to Mountain View. Would you like to try?
Yes, miss.
Go ahead.
A koala.
Incorrect. It's a red panda. Still with you, Mountain View. What type of bird is featured as part of the Furious 5 in the movie Kung Fu Panda? A crane is the answer. I should have passed that out. But let's move on to general knowledge. Tarrant, Nairobi is the capital of which country?
Yo, nobody got Nairobi. Nairobi. Use it, shake on.
Would you like to try Mountain View?
No, thank you.
It's Kenya. And Mountain View, Manila is the capital of which country?
Manila. You know the answer? You know the answer? But it look funny. We'll switch up, but I don't remember. Oh,
Would you like to try Tarrant?
No, thank you.
It's the Philippines. And that ends the first section of the match. And our scores are Tarrant Primary on 0 and Mountain View Primary on 1. Please stay with us. TVJ's Quest for Quiz returns after these messages.